ang depression, gawa-gawa ng mga tao yan.
Sad reality is that mental bullying, whether through words, exclusion, or digital cruelty, leaves silent scars that shape self-doubt, anxiety, and loneliness, yet it persists because society often minimizes its harm or blames victim for being too sensitive.